A deep clean is necessary if you are hosting a sale or have an unidentified smell lingering. You can make your home a lot cleaner for less with these 20 tricks. Number 20. Remove hard water stains from your glasses. Here's another use for white vinegar. If you live in a hard water area, you may find your glassware gets white stains on them, which don't go away when you clean them normally. Here's what to do. Mix some water and white vinegar in a washing up bowl. After washing the glasses normally under the tap, soak them in the water and vinegar for a few seconds and let the air dry. You'll see the hard water stains are no more. Number 19. Get rid of rust. If you've gotten metal items in your house, which have gone rusty, don't throw them out. Here's how you can make rust disappear. Fill a china dish with white vinegar. Drop your rusty items in the vinegar and leave them for 24 hours. When you come back, you'll see the vinegar is yellow and the rust is no longer attached to the metal. Scrape away the excess with a brush and there you have it. The erosion of corrosion. Number 18. Use cream of tartar to clean your toaster. Over years of use, your stainless steel toaster becomes a lot less stainless. It builds up a sticky film that cleaning with water just won't shift. Find some cream of tartar, it'll be in your spice rack. Mix it with a little water until it's the consistency of milk. Gently scrub your toaster with the mix and wipe it clean with a paper towel. You'll see those stains vanish and your toaster look good as new. Number 17. Homemade oven cleaner. Oven cleaner that you buy in the shops is full of corrosive chemicals that clean your oven, but can be dangerous to your skin if you get any on you. When it's time to clean your oven, why not make your own? You need a couple of drops of washing up liquid, 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 5 tablespoons of our old friend, white vinegar, and some lemon juice. Mix it all together until it becomes a paste. Slather the paste everywhere in your oven, including the window, and let it work its magic for 4 hours. Wipe away the paste with a wet cloth and your oven will be sparkling like the day it left the factory. Also, it'll smell like lemons. Number 16. Deodorize your mattress. Our mattresses are full of dust, dead skin, dust mite, you name it. That's why they smell fusty. It's time to get that mattress smelling fresh again. First, remove all the bedding. Use a kitchen strainer. Sprinkle baking soda everywhere on the mattress. Leave it alone for an hour and a half. The baking soda will draw out all the dust and odor. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove the dust and baking soda and you're done. You'll sleep like a baby tonight. Number 15. Cleaning slime. Clean all the dust and gunk from your computer's keyboard with some homemade cleaning slime and get some borax. It's a laundry detergent. Mix it with some glue water and for added slime, your realness, some green food coloring needed all together so it becomes solid, but still slimy. Lay your slime on your computer's keys. The slime will seep into the gaps between the keys, but it won't break up, so it's easy to remove after a few minutes. Lift up the slime and you'll be amazed how much grime is removed. Number 14. Remove cup rings. There is always one friend who comes over who has never heard of coasters. They leave on-site rings all over your wooden tables. Luckily, there's an easy way to remove these rings. You need a hairdryer and some patience. Switch your hairdryer to its hottest setting in the blast ring for about 20 minutes. You'll be shocked to see the ring vanish. Rubber drops of olive oil into the wood to moisturize and your table will be as good as new. Number 13. Homemade kitchen spray. Why buy kitchen spray from the shops when you can make your own? Find a 500 milliliter soda bottle, wash it out, and fill it a quarter way with white vinegar. Fill it up to halfway with some club soda, add some washing up liquid and some lemon juice. You now have kitchen cleaner, ready to spray. You'll also have a kitchen that is lovely and clean and smells like lemon. Number 12. Clean between your tiles. When hard-to-shift grime begins to build up between the tiles in your bathroom, it's time to get creative. Get a plastic bowl and throw in a couple of tablespoons of baking soda. Add some water, white vinegar and lemon juice and mix it until it becomes a paste. Clean between your bathroom tiles using a brush. Wipe the paste away with a wet cloth and your bathroom will be gleaming again. Number 11. Bagel Cleaner. If you have oil paintings in your home, you'll know how dusty they get and how difficult they are to keep clean. You can't use anything wet as it will ruin the painting. The answer is in your bread bin, the humble bagel. Get a white bagel and cut it in half. Lightly run the white doughy surface all over your oil painting and see how it picks up all the dust without affecting the painting. Number 10. Under the rim. Here's a way to clean that mold that grows under the rim of your toilet, and it involves our old friend vinegar. Last thing at night, when no one will use the toilet for a while, flush the toilet so the tank is empty and seal the spray jets with duct tape. Fill the tank with pure white vinegar. Flush it again. The vinegar will flow to the rim, but will be held in place by the tape. Leave it overnight. When you come back the next morning, remove the tape and give the rim a wipe with the brush. You now have a mold-free toilet. Congratulations! Number 9. Sweet-smelling stock. If your home has developed a musty odor, you need to take drastic action. Here's a quick and easy method to make your home smell amazing fast. Grab a stock pot or large saucepan, fill it 2/3 of the way with water, add some sprigs of rosemary, slices of lemon, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Cook it all up on your stove, and the steam that rises will waft around your house, making it smell herby, citrus, and sweet. You can reuse your mix for a couple of days. Number 8. Deep clean your shower head. After years of use, your shower head develops its own ecosystem full of mold, hard water stains, and soaps. Come it's time to get deep cleaning. Find a plastic sandwich bag and fill it with some, you've guessed it, white vinegar. Add a couple of drops of lemon essential oil. Submerge your shower head in the mixture and seal the top of the bag with an elastic band. Leave it submerged overnight. Next morning, remove the shower head and wipe it with a cloth. You'll see it sparkling clean. Number 7. Clean your screen. When your TV, smartphone, or computer screens get dirty, don't use water to clean them. All you get is a smeary screen. Use the filter paper from your coffee maker to clean your screen. You'll see how it lifts off all the dust and marks. Next time you watch our videos, it'll be like you're here with us. Number 6. Clean your stove filter. Your stove filter sits at the bottom of the vent in your kitchen, above where you do all your cooking, and trust me, it's disgusting. It's covered in grease, dust, and who knows what else. You need to clean it. Grab a bucket and fill it with boiling water. Add a cup of baking soda. Remove the filter from your vent and submerge it in the water. Leave it for an hour or so, and when you come back, your stove filter will gleam like never before. Number 5. Homemade toilet bombs. Here's a fun way to make your toilet looking and smelling fresh. Mix together some baking soda, citrus acid, washing up liquid, and whisk it into a paste. Turn this mixture into cubes by putting it in an ice cube tray and leaving it for 2 hours to dry. Drop 1 cube into your toilet and flush it. You'll get a foam explosion and a lovely citrus smell. Number 4. Microwave cleaner. The inside of your microwave is a magnet for grease and food stains. To make it sparkling new again, here's what to do. Get a microwave of all bowl and fill it with water. Peel a lemon and drop the lemon peel into the water. Now microwave this mixer for 5 minutes. Once you remove the bowl, you'll find you're able to wipe all the stains away easily with the cloth, and your microwave will be fit for cooking food in again. Number 3. How to clean a carpet. If your carpet is covered in those mysterious dark stains, where no one knows how they got there, here's what to do. Make a mixture, 2 parts water and 1 part, you guessed again, white vinegar. Spray the carpet stain with this solution and lay a damp rag on top of it. Now get your steam iron and switch it to its steamy setting. Iron the rag for about 30 seconds. Your carpet should be as clean as can be after you remove the rack. Number 2. Pet hair. If you've got a cat or dog, you probably find hairs all over your home, unless you've got one of those bald ones. The easiest way to pick them up is not with a vacuum or brush, it's with a damp rubber glove. Go on, give it a try. Number 1. More vinegar. If you've made it this far in our video, I expect you're amazed at the various uses for vinegar. Well, I haven't actually told you half of them yet. Here's some more things vinegar can do. It can remove lime scale from your kettle, dissolve mineral deposits from your taps, clean your drains, clean your trash can, clean your blinds. Did I also mention you can put it on your chips? That concludes our top 20 ways to effectively deep clean your home. Which was your favorite? Do you have any other ingenious ideas to clean your home with everyday items? Leave us a comment to let us know. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!